Welcome to our YouTube video dedicated to vintage country farmhouse decor ideas. In this delightful presentation, we invite you to journey with us into the heart of rustic charm and timeless elegance. Whether you are a fan of vintage finds, farmhouse flair, or rustic touch, this video is sure to inspire you with a plenty of simple yet stylish ideas to infuse your home with the warmth of character of a vintage country farmhouse. As we dive into the world of vintage decor, let's start with the foundation of farmhouse style. Reclaimed wood embrace the natural beauty and rugged charm of weathered wood furniture, from sturdy farmhouse tables to rustic barn doors and reclaimed wood accent walls. These pieces add a sense of history and authenticity to your space, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere that's perfect for gathering with family and friends. Next, let's explore the art of vintage rustic decor. Hunt for treasures at flea markets, antique shops, and thrift stores, seeking out one of a kind finds that tell a story and add personality to your home. Vintage signage, old fashioned milk jugs, and weathered sign are perfect for adding a touch of nostalgia and whimsy to your farmhouse sanctuary. Don't afraid to add and mix different styles and eras. It's the eclectic blend of vintage pieces that gives farmhouse decor its unique charm. Now let's talk about textiles, soft, cozy fabrics, and essential for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere in your farmhouse retreat. Think plush throw blankets, hand knitted afghans, and vintage inspired quilts draped over furniture. Layering textures and patterns add depth and visual interest to your space, while creating a sense of comfort and coziness that's perfect for curling up with a good book or enjoying a leisurely afternoon nap. Let's not forget about color. Soft, muted hues are the hallmark of farmhouse decorating, creating a serene and soothing atmosphere that's perfect for relaxation and inviting. Opt for earthy tones like sage green, soft blue, and creamy white to achieve that quintessential farmhouse look. These gentle hues provide the perfect backdrop of showcasing vintage finds and adding pops of color with accessories and accents. As we put the finishing touch on our vintage farmhouse oasis, let's not overlook the importance of lighting. Choose vintage inspired fixtures like wrought iron, rustic pendant lights, or lantern style sconces to cast a warm and inviting glow throughout your space. Layering different sources of light from overhead fixtures to table lamps and candlelight adds depth and ambiance, creating a soft and welcoming atmosphere that perfect for intimate gatherings and cozy nights in. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of vintage country farmhouse decor ideas. We hope you have found plenty of inspiration and tips to help you create a cozy and inviting space that feels like home. Remember, it's the thoughtful details and personal touches that make a house a home. So don't be afraid and let your creativity shine. Whether you are sipping coffee on the porch, cooking a delicious meal in the kitchen, or simply enjoying a quiet moment by the fireplace, your vintage farmhouse sanctuary will be the perfect backdrop for making cherished memories that last a lifetime. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye.